What do you see? Some may only see a field, but we see lighting that will allow night games for the first time in Tuskegee University's history. Some see a student leaving the library, but we see a safer campus for the nation's top engineering students. Some see a dorm room. We see cooler, cleaner air. Some see a classroom, but we see the next generation of resilient leaders. Often, what's most essential is most invisible. That's why we're innovating to ensure that all of Alabama becomes more energy efficient. Because when our universities thrive, we all thrive.